Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some pumpkin cookies made from yellow cake mix. So these are my ingredients. I'm using a yellow cake mix and it's 15 ounces. I'm using some pure pumpkin, a can, 15 ounces. Right here I have an egg. I have a 1/4 cup of canola oil and I'm using 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice along with 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I'm also going to use a little bit of extra chocolate chips. Now this is optional, but I'll show you how I'm going to do that later. So let's make our cookies. I have a big bowl and I'm going to sift my first 2 ingredients. Now this is my cake mix and my pumpkin spice. I'm going to mix those 2 together. That way I can ensure that it's really going to go in throughout the whole cookie dough. I'm going to put them all together. I'm going to sift them. You don't have to do it like this. I like to do it so that I can really make sure that the pumpkin spice is throughout the dough. And it only takes a few seconds. Look at that. So now I'm adding my oil. And this is my egg. And now I'm going to add my pure pumpkin. So now we're going to start to mix this together. And at first it kind of looks like it's going to be dry, like maybe you need more, but no, it really starts to come together. Just keep mixing it together and it's perfect. Look at that. So now at this point, I'm going to add my chocolate chips. And I'm going to mix these together. So at this point, I'm pretty much ready to make my cookies. I have a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to use a cookie scooper. There is a difference between a cookie scooper and an ice cream scooper. I'm going to use a cookie scooper and start forming my little dough balls on my cookie sheet. So now I have a 350-degree oven waiting. It's nice and hot. I'm going to pop these in. The time on the recipe is anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes. And look at this. Beautiful. They come out perfect. For me, it was 12 minutes exactly. Now I'm adding some extra chocolate chips on top. You have to do this when they first come out of the oven because the cookies are hot and the chocolate chips will stick. Beautiful. They look like little chocolate mountains on top of the cookies. I love this. They are so good. They're doughy, they're thick and chewy. They're so good. They're like little cake pumpkin cookies with chocolate chip mountains. So these are my pumpkin cookies made with yellow cake mix. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.